bilan o'sha yo'q do'stlar, sizlar bilan yana o'sha alligator. Bugungi videomizda biz sizlar bilan DLC o'yinini o'ynaymiz. Aytgancha bu videoga like bosib obuna bo'lishni esdan chiqarmanglar. 50 ga bo'lish kerak. 50 kishi bo'lishimiz kerak va
Tactical change here then.
Bizi komandada kimlar bor? Oho. Dunyoni bot o'yinchilari shu yerga yig'ildi-ku. Do'stlar, bu yerdagi odamlarni ko'rib hayron qolasizlar. Mana shuni o'rniga qo'ysak.
It's a tactical change here then.
Nima spam bo'ladi bu bola?
All square here. Will either team snatch the win? Huelmand in control now. Oh, we've seen some big tackles today. Great dribbling.
50 dona bo'lishimizga ozgina
He's taking the ball out wide.
Bitta video qo'yapti.
Well timed then. Great defending.
Do'stlar, biz 59-videoyimizni olib turibman, lekin
shaking things up.
hali 50 kishi ham bo'lganimiz yo'q.
We did really well there.
Pasta
misjudged the pass. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up. A strong tackle. Surely now. He's hit it too high. The keeper can give a sigh of relief. Will he go for glory? He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Extra time bo'lmaydimi do'stlar? Qayta o'ynab ko'ramiz. 20 tanga ketsa ketibdi. Pul ketsa ketsin, boyga
Tactical change here then.
Vaqtroq harakat qilish kerak-da mana. Ba'zan formasiga kiygan, ba'zanchimi demanda chetda.
Just a single substitution here. What impact will he have? Skillful pass. So still all square, both sides. Well, they deserve a point. However, there's still time left to cause a late upset. A quick sub could work wonders for the team. He's putting in a player of the match performance. Striker's ball. Good ball control. Here's his chance. Right at the end. That must clinch it for them. That might be the one which will win it for them. The manager will be delighted with that goal. Nice pass. Oh, that's a really hard challenge. The substitutes are ready. They're coming on. What impact will they have? And he's won it back for his team. He failed to connect with that tackle. Can they see out a victory? Their opponents are launching one last assault on goal. Oh, that's a poor pass. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. They did enough. A great performance from the team to complete this scenario.